Hi everyone, I will show you how to add links to Instagram story. Open your Instagram app, swipe right and take a picture. Now tap the sticker icon on the top right. You can see the link icon. Tap to the link icon, enter the link and tap done. If you want to change the theme of icon, then tap and again tap. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.